In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the volume display on charts in Trading 212. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to read volume can be crucial for analyzing market moves effectively. Let's dive into the straightforward steps to help you visualize this essential data on your Trading 212 charts. First, you'll want to open up the Trading 212 app or access their web platform. It's essential to ensure you're logged into your account so that you can make the necessary adjustments to your settings. Once you're in, navigate to the chart of the specific stock or financial instrument you're interested in analyzing. This is your workspace where you can get a visual breakdown of price movements over time. Being familiar with the chart layout can save you time and improve your trading efficiency. Next, locate the Chart Expand icon. This is typically found beside the gear icon on your chosen chart. Clicking on it allows you to view an enlarged, more detailed version of your chart, providing a better perspective to work with, especially when you start adding additional data layers such as volume. Now, look towards the Indicators section. By tapping into this resource, you're given access to a wide variety of tools that can enhance your chart's informational richness. Indicators are a powerful feature that allows you to overlay various types of data and analysis onto your chart. Once within the Indicators menu, you'll need to search for the Volume indicator. This is a crucial step because by selecting Volume, you are instructing the platform to display trade volume data right in your chart view. Once applied, you'll notice a series of bars showing up below the price chart. These bars represent the market's trading volume over your chosen time intervals. Finally, with the volume bars now visible, you are ready to interpret the data. Each bar signifies the number of shares traded, providing a tangible sense of market activity during every trading interval you're reviewing. High volume can often signal strong interest and potential price shifts, thus guiding your trading decisions. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added the volume display to your Trading 212 charts, unlocking a deeper layer of analysis that can aid in making more informed trades. Remember, volume is a valuable piece of the puzzle, and having it on your chart allows you to see beyond mere price movements. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading!